Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf. This is a Pilote 720 FC Expression motorhome, which I'm now going to show you. Now, we have two types, one called Expression and the other one called Evidence. And if it's an Expression, it means you can sort of build it up for your own desires. This thing is going to cost 83,400, and we'll have a quick look inside of it. So this is a vehicle with a queen bed. As you'd expect, with a queen bed you get storage on either side. I've just knocked the light off. You know why I knocked the light off? It's because I've got a bag on my back, and that's why. So you won't have to worry about that. Just lock this. Oh dear, I can't open it now. Never mind. There's your storage in there, and this storage here. Oh dear, I've broken that. That's gone. Never mind. Have to buy the thing now unless I get out here and hopefully nobody saw me break it. The bed itself, let's have a look under it. You can see we can sort of get a bit of storage under it, but not a huge amount. There is a bit of storage from the outside, but we'll see that one from the outside. As it's in this format, as you'd expect, a door to close it with. It'll be blocked up here, so unlock it there, and it comes across like that. So if you don't want anybody to see you in bed, if you need a quick nap, if you come to Dusseldorf, for example, you come on one of these, then you close this from the inside. It also comes with a door here, which is handy for closing off from the front. There's the toilet, and you've got to use the toilet and the washrooms. If you're claustrophobic in the shower, at least you can see towards the toilet, for example. Here we have also a bit of storage, and I don't like these bowls. So I do like them in a house, they look nice, but in a van I just don't think they work at all. That's my opinion. Others may think differently. Space up there for hanging towels or whatever. This has got face-to-face look. I want to see what other people think face-to-face. The problem with the face-to-face is that the seat belts you have forward-facing seats nowadays, so there's an extra seat in that box under the seat. So it's taking away a fair bit of storage, I'd have to say, if you have something like this. But there may be a very good reason why you want the face-to-face look in your motorhome. Down here we've got something which just seems to be all the rage these days, and that's two burners. Obviously it comes with all the bits that go on it. They've just been removed before somebody else helps themselves to them, and sink in there as well. I have to say the kitchen looks a bit poor, to use a French term, I think. We've got some spice racks up here. Well, at least I've got a space, it's not going to fall out that easily. Underneath, as you'd expect, under a kitchen block, you've got the drawers. On the other side we will find a fridge, and this is a fridge that opens one way, which is this way. And above that we've got a bit of storage up there as well. Lots of light coming in, and let's have a look around the outside. Now I mentioned the storage, but there isn't really, with the queen bed. It depends on the layout of the vehicle, but it doesn't really give a huge amount of storage in the back often. Depends on the way the vehicle's built. It's built with a double floor, and 50,000 euros extra, then it will give you a decent garage. Comes with a reversing camera, but here is some. Now notice. We've got the door on this side, but down there we've got something which I think is really very, very clever. This is a pull-out unit from the underside of the vehicle, and so that makes the access very, very easy to get to. So this is, that goes in there. Note also 70 kilos, slides in and out I think that's really good. A number of vehicles are doing this, but for at this price level, that's pretty good. Also note this, how easy it is to access the gas. Also, that's another really positive point about this. That's definitely, in my opinion, a major positive feature. I really like that. Now, I'm really into double floors, and this doesn't have it, but that's the sort of thing you get normally with a double floor. Right, I'm going to take you around. We'll have a quick walk around this Pilote stand, and then see if you see anything. I'll show you just though the semi-integrated models. Now, a semi-integrated one's got the front bit is either from the base manufacturer, the Fiat, Citroen, whoever it may be, and the integrated like this, it comes directly from Pilote. That's a big advantage of since I owned an integrated, I'm never going to go back to a semi-integrated. I think it appears to give you so much space. I know it's only a few centimeters, but it appears to give you so much space. Anyway, so see here in this bit coming out again, excellent. This 690S is a 6-person motorhome in the 7-meter class, 6 beds. You may be wondering why there's not so many people here. It's because today is a professionals day, so for the general public it costs more money to come in on today, and as well as I don't want to encourage more people to come in on today because it was difficult to film. If you really want to buy a vehicle, my advice is this: is you speak to the person the company who's you're interested in, and ask them to give you a pass for the day, and that's. So you get far more peace on the professional day. It's the first day of the event held on the Friday. So it's this starts on the last Saturday in August, and so that'll be the Friday before the last Saturday in August. It might not be the last Friday in August, but I hope you get my point there. So right, and here a sort of P690JG. Right, so I'm coming back to this one, P720 Expression. And so thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every. Here's my friend Katja. Hi. Oh well. I'll end now. See you later. Thank you. All right. Bye for now.